Hi bestie, I am at the new Conrad Resorts World Las Vegas. I'm going to show you my one bedroom suite, so let's go check it out. When you enter, you will see the living room, very spacious, and you will see the powder room, which is the second bathroom for guests. I love this because even two people staying, you don't have to fight for toilet. I love the little details. Look at that. So pretty. I love details. So, and the Mojave Ghost, this hand wash is amazing. It smells amazing. OMG. So, anyway, let's go take a tour. You have a nice big mirror over here. This Conrad Las Vegas Resorts World. You can like take this on. There you go. Very nice, spacious, big sofa. I love this big lamp thingy. They're very modern art. This is a strip view suite, so you get to see the strip from here. So I'll turn off the lights shortly and show you more better. So as you can see, this is the strip view. That one is Wynn. Well, Encore, Wynn, that's Palazzo Venetian that I can see, Caesar's Palace, and you can see Palms over there. You can see Trump. And those are their pools, the Resorts World pool. There's multiple pools going on. Choices. I don't know if they are open. I will have to ask, but I like. If it's open tomorrow, I like to go one of those pools. Very nice. Okay, let's turn on the lights again. Let's continue to the bedroom. On your left, you will see the bedroom. And over there is the bathroom. This is the dressing area. It's a separate little nook with robe. I like the robe. This is Resorts World Las Vegas. It has a ironing board, extra hangers. You have slippers. I love these. A big security deposit box. Might fit MacBook Pro in here. I love this. It's important. The iron, laundry bag, some extra storage here. Powder center. Let's go to the bedroom. Bedroom is awesome. Check it out. Oh. I like that it has a tub and check the little rubber ducky. Well, it's not actually rubber ducky. It's actually soap. I thought it was rubber ducky, but this is a ducky soap. Handmade by Nectar Bath Treats. Really cool. I wonder if they have bath salts. I kinda need bath salts. But this smells amazing. Yeah, it smells amazing. Love the top. Goes to the bedroom. But look at the mirror. It's got a ganchuan. I love this black marble. Which is really cool. And Mojave Ghost brand is everywhere. The lotion is also good. Hand wash is excellent. There's a hairdresser, hair dryer. What else? Oh, I want to show you this. Check out this big giant shower. Rain shower, very important. And also included is the one that you hold. But it's huge. It's like I can like do like this. See? It's big. It's big. Okay. Let's go see the other one. Too loud. This is toilet. This is the other one that you can use. So far, the Conrad I've stayed in are really nice. This is no exception. So this is they have this iHome. You can wireless charging your phone and stuff. Like there's USB here. Charge your phone and stuff. Extra outlet. Controls, light control, and drips control, even like drip control. So watch this. I'm gonna switch this on, and look what happened when I turn this. It's automatic. You can close the shears and you can close the drips as well. Haven't tested the bed, but looks comfy. I love the red and gold. It's very kind of Chinese decor. Well, it is owned by Genting group. The phone. This lights here. Ooh, check that out. Like the lounge chair, lazy chair, whatever you call that thing. And this is kind of cool too. It's like, it's a little tiny end table that is made of like marble. And of course they have TV. And where you put your luggage, I guess you can put luggage there, you can put luggage over there. But yeah, it's really cool. So it is very, very nice. One bedroom suite with a strip view at the new Conrad Resorts World, Las Vegas. I love it. It's spacious. It's like I said, it's brand new. It's quiet. This particular suite is on the 34th floor and it's that quiet. I love it because Vegas tend to be loud sometimes, depending on where you stay. So if you value quietness, you might want to stay here. So I would recommend you stay here because it's, like I said, do you hear anything? No, exactly, my point exactly. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour of my one bedroom suite with a strip view at the new Conrad Resorts World, Las Vegas. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up, please share with your friends, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, ShahShay.com, and click the bell notification button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, I am on social media. Links on my social media accounts are in the description below, including a link to my blog. Alright, I'll see you next time. Stay safe. Bye!